Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pixel explosion effect. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is separate our subject from her background. Select the Object Selection tool and select our subject. When you've done that, press Command J or on PC Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. We can delete the layer beneath, and let's duplicate our subject layer again. Select the bottom layer, go to Filter, and Liquify. Select a bigger brush size and pull your model to the left. When you got something that looks like this, press OK. Let's make our background layer visible. Select our middle layer and while holding Option, create a new mask. Make a new layer, grab the Marquee tool and while holding Shift, create a perfect square. Go to Edit, Fill and fill it to black. Now go to Edit and click Define Brush Preset. Name it something like Square and press OK. As you can see, our brush is square now. We can delete the top layer, go to the brush settings, go to spacing and space it out quite a bit, go to the shape dynamics and put the side jitter to 100%. And turn the scattering on to around 400%. Now select our middle layer's mask, select the white color and draw over the edges of our subject. Now create a new layer above everything, select the red color and draw over the edges of your subject. By pressing Command T, we can scale it down and better line it up with our subject. When you've done that, while holding Command, press the top layer, make it invisible, select the top layer and press Delete. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.